it's because of the following.
Isizathu sokuthi ke ngizobuza imibuzo le engizokubuza yona ilesi esilandelayo noma ilezi ezilandelayo.
In the indictment wherein you are indicted before this court, on page 3 of the indictment, it reads the following. It's short, my lord. I think the interpreter will be able to capture it. It's just a short paragraph.
Okay.
Thank you. It reads as follows. In case of conviction, the said Director of Public Prosecution prays for sentence according to the law with specific reference to the provisions of Section 51 in brackets 1 and or Section 51 in brackets 2 of Act 105 of 1997. As murder was planned or premeditated as envisaged, paragraph A of Schedule 2 of Part 1 of Act 105 of 1997.
Izathu ke ilesi ke esifundiwe ukuthi lapha ku page 3 kuhlake lwamacala othweswe wona noma ke enithweswe wona ke ukuthi ke ekuyena ophethe abashushisi noma owongameleke zona ezokushushisa uthi ke isicelo ke ukuthi uma egcineni inkantolo ingathola noma ke uma egcineni ungalahlwa icala noma ke ulahlwe yibona ke amacala abazocela bona ke ukuthi ke nanjengoba ke ukubulawa lokhu kwakhe ongasekho noma ke owashona kwenziwa kuhleliwe uma ke becela inkantolo bazoyicela ke ukuthi ke ibheke ngale yondlela ukuthi ukubulawa kwakhe umufi ke kwakuhleliwe.
So the question,
I'm listening.
thank you. The questions that I'll be putting to you, it is because of the word which says, as the murder was planned or premeditated.
Ngakho ke imibuzo engizothi ngihlome kuwena ke ngibuziswa ke yilokho engikufundileke noma lokho okushiwo ke lapho ukuthi ke ukubulawa kwakhe umufi ke ukuthi kwakuyinto eyayihleliwe.
And when the state says, as murder was planned, it means it was planned by yourself together with the co-accused who are before this court.
Manje ke uma umbuso uthi ke ukubulawa kwakhe umufi kwakuhleliwe ke kusho ukuthi bona ke abakushoyo ngalokho ukuthi kwakuhlelwe wena kanye ke nabanye abasolo laba nabo la enkantolo basho lokho.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is the reason why I'm going to ask questions from you in respect of accused number 5, whether you did plan to commit the offense that is mentioned in these provisions.
Ingakho ke ngizothi ngikubuzeke imibuzo ke ukuthi ke ingabe ke wawuhlelile yini wena ke ngokuhlanganyelana naye ke umsolwa wesihlanu kulona icala leli.
Planning, it's
No.
planning is something that takes place before, or premeditated, it's something that takes place before the actual incident. The actual incident here is the killing of the deceased.
Ukuhlela ke into eyenzeka ngaphambi kokuthi isehlakalo leso sona ke senzeke lana ke khulunywa ngokubulala ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi kubulawe ke into lena eyahlalelwa phansi ke yase ihlela.
Okay.
Kusho lokho ke makhulunywa ngokuhlela noma ke iplanning. I'm listening.
Thank you. When you started testifying, you mentioned that you know accused number 5 as your cousin, if I got it correctly.
Uma ngikuzwe kahle ke uma uqala ukwethula ubufakazi ke ushilo lana ukuthi ke umsola wesihlanu yamazi umazi ke nanjengo mzala wakho cousin wakho.
Yebo umzala wami.
Yes, he is my cousin.
Okay. And did you have any knowledge about the killing of the deceased prior to the incident?
Wawonalo yini ulwazi lokubulawa kwakhe umufi ngaphambi kokuthi isehlakalo senzeke?
Cha, akaze ngize ngibe nalo ulwazi lokufaka umufi. And namanje akunalo ulwazi lwakho ukuthi wafaka kanjani.
No, I never had knowledge of the deceased's death. Up until now, I have no knowledge as to how he died.
Okay. During the period of 2014, accused number 5 was your cousin. Have you seen him during that year?
Ngaso ke isikhathi sika 2014 usho ke ukuthi umsolo wesihlanu kwakumzala wakho. Bambona yini ngaleso sikhathi leso noma kulowo nyaka loyo 2014?
Cha ngaze mbona.
No, I didn't see him.
During the period of October, which is the month when the incident took place in this case, did you see accused number 5?
Ngayo inyanga ka October ekuyisona ke isikhathi isehlakalo lesi esenzeka ngayo ingaba wambona yini ngaleso sikhathi noma ngaleyo nyanga leyo?
Cha angaze mbona.
No, I didn't see him.
And on the date of the incident, which is 26 October 2014, did you see your accused number 5, Mr. Ntulimelo?
Manje ke ngaleli langa isehlakalo esenzeka ngalo kwakuyi 26 October 2014 wambona yini umsolo wesihlanu ngalelo langa lelo?
Cha angaze ngimbona.
No, I didn't see him.
I'm trying to establish the planning and the premeditation of this case. Did you receive at any stage any benefit as a result of the killing of the deceased in this matter?
Ngizama ke ukuthi ngitholeke ukuhlela lokhu ke ekhulunywa ngako ukuthi ke kwenzeka nini ke ingaba khona yini owakuthola noma ikhona yini inzuzo owayithola yini ngokuthi ke kushone umufi kulecala leli noma ngokuthi kubulawe umufi kulecala khona yini owakuthola?
Cha aze ngithole lutho.
No, I never received anything.
Were you at the scene wherein the deceased or wherein the incident took place? Were you at the crime scene when the incident took place on the 26th of October 2014?
Wawukuyona yini indawo yesehlakalo ngazo i26 ka October 2014 inkathi isehlakalo lesi senzeka?
Cha
No,
angaze ngize ngibe kuyona.
I was never there.
Thank you. Last week when you were testifying, you testified that when you were arrested, Brigadier Geninda and his team took you to your parents to inform your parents that you have been arrested. Is that your evidence?
Kathi wethula ubufakazi ke kwiviki lendlule ushilo ukuthi ke ngoyelanga lokuboshwa kwakho uBrigadier Geninda kanye nethimba lakhe ke bakuthatha banikisa kubazali bakho.
Bangithatha nge-6 June 2020 la bangisa khona ekhaya.
They took me on the 6th of June 2020. That's when they took me home.
Did they explain to you the reason for taking you home?
Bakutshela isizathu sokuthi bakuse kini.
Ubongani wangibuza ukuthi yini abangangenzela yona ngathi mina ngifuna ukuthola umalume.
Bongani inquired from me as to what it is that they could do for me, and then I informed them, or I said that I would like to find my uncle.
Where was your uncle at the time?
So,
Where was your uncle at the time?
wayekuphi umalume ngaleso sikhathi leso?
Wayesethembisa la
was-
Johannesburg.
He was in Tembisa here in Johannesburg.
So then did they take you to Tembisa?
Bakusa kuyena?
Cha
No.
Do you know the reason why not?
Uyasazi isizathu sokuthi bangakwenzi lokho?
angisazi.
I don't know.
When they took you to your parents in Mahlabathini, had you asked them that you wanted to see your parents?
Uma bekuthatha ke bekuhambisa kubazali bakho emahlabathini wawubabuzile wena wawushile wena kwena
Had you asked the police to take you?
kwakuyinto wena owawicela kubona ukuthi bakuhambise bakuse kubazali emahlabathini?
Cha ngacela.
No, I didn't.
So why were you taken to your parents?
Kwakungani ke ukuze uhanjiswe usiwe kubazali bakho?
Yiba bayithathe isinqumo sokuthi bafuna ukungisa kubazali ekhaya.
They are the ones who took that decision that they will take me to my parents, or they will take me home to my parents.
Did you give the police your number? The police, I mean Brigadier Geninda and his team. Did you give the investigating team the number for your parents in order to call them and inform them that you have been arrested instead of going to Mahlabathini?
Ingabe uBrigadier Geninda kanye nethimba lakhe liphenyayo wabanika yini imininingwane ke abazali noma ke inamba yabazali ukuthi ke baxhumane nabazali ukuthi yeah.
Cha angaze ngibanikeza akaze beyifuna.
No, I never gave it to them. They never requested for it.
Is it the procedure that you know that a person when he's arrested will be taken to his parents normally, under the normal circumstances?
Ngokujwayelekile noma ngokwenjwayeleke ngaba kuyinto oyaziyo yini ukuthi uma umuntu eboshiwe uzothathwa ke ahanjiswe kubazali bakhe?
Cha.
No.
Did any of the accused before this court also were taken to their parents
Ungaba
after their
ukhona-
arrest, do you know?
Oh, sorry. Ingaba ngokwazi kwakho ukhona yini kubasolo abahlezi khona lapha yana ke owathi emuva kokuthi aboshiwe naye ke base bemthatha bemikisa kubazali bakhe?
Akekho.
None of them.
Why only you?
Kwangani ukuthi kwenzeke kuwena kuphela lokho?
Isizathu sabo ngeke ngisazi mari ngokwami mina ngokubona kwami babe kwakuyindlela yokungihlukumeza nje leyo ukuthi ngisuke ngama handcuff la ngiboshiwe ngize ngiyofika ekhaya ngiphinde ngibuye ekhaya ngize la kuphinde kuhlukumezeke nabazali bami ekhaya bengibona ngiboshiwe ngishayiwe futhi.
I wouldn't know the reason, but according to me, it was just a form of torture for me to travel from here, handcuffed, back home, and also torture on the side of my parents to see me in that state being handcuffed and also having been assaulted.
That's a good case. I don't know whether it's, we don't know if people who in cross examination is proper to ask this witness to speculate about the reason why he was taken to his parental home. The investigating team said they wanted to verify that. It's a record. Yeah, it was a record.
Yeah, that's what the neighbor said. But this is what this witness is saying. So that's fine. He's got the right to tell us what he means, what his reasoning is, or suspicions are. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Maybe to clarify that, my lord, can I just put one question to the accused?
Okay, put any question.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is permissible by law.
Did the police tell you that the purpose of taking you home is because they wanted to verify the address?
Ingaba amaphoyisa akutshela yini ukuthi isizathu sokuthi ke bahambe nawe bayekini kwakuyoqinisekisa ikheli?
Akaze beze besho.
They never said.
Ngolwazi lwami umuntu maye yoqinisekisa ikheli lase KZN esuka la eGoli ufolela amaphoyisa ase KZN kube yiwo ahambe ukubona iaddress yalowo muntu lo bese ya confirm iaddress lo muntu uhlala la. Okwesibili amaphoyisa wathatha umuntu osuke eboshiwe ehambe naye eyo confirm address. Leyo nto leyo ayikho and address ngangibhalisile ngabhalisa address yala ithembisa yase Vusumuzi 1818 Vusumuzi section yona address ngangibhalisile leyo ukuthi ba confirm address le ngakaze ngize ngibhalise angibazi ukuthi babe ngathi ba confirm address yana ayikho lento abayishoyo.
No, it doesn't happen. According to my knowledge, when police want to confirm an address in KZN, the police in Gauteng would make contact with the police in KwaZulu-Natal. The police in KwaZulu-Natal will then go and confirm that particular address, not to take a person and go with the person to confirm the address. And secondly, for them to go and confirm an address in KZN, which I did not provide to them because I provided the address in 1818 Vusumuzi here in Tembisa.
Thank you. In the return trip that you took from Johannesburg to Mahlabathini, which has been estimated as 16 hours travel on the road, were you given any word?
Kulona ke uhambo lolo ke bathi ke uma belibheka ke noma besho ke bathi ke kwathatha ke amahora awu16 ukuya ke khona ke Mahlabathini nokubuya futhi ke ingabe wawanikezwa yini amanzi kulona lolo hambo lolo?
Cha akaze kwanikezwa amanzi cela ukucacisa le yama hour awu16.
Okay. No, I was never given or provided with water. May I please explain the 16 hours?
Okay.
Ukuye ekhaya ngokwazi wami noma ngisuka la eGoli ngokujwayelekile i7 hours.
For me, normally, when I travel from Gauteng back to home, it's 7 hours.
Ngalela langa ngoba ngangenasikhathi angazi hamba ama-hour mangaki ukuya ekhaya.
But on that day, because I did not have time on me, I don't know as to how many hours we traveled to my home.
ngoba sasuka la ekseni kodwa ungene ekhaya sangena sekuhlwile sekumnyama.
Because we traveled or we left Gauteng in the morning, but when we reached that side, it was already dark at night or during the night.
Ngoba ukuhamba masuka la bafike bama airport la bahlangana khona nabo Gininda. Masisuka lapho bafike bama eStanderton.
Because when we left here, they stopped at the airport where they came together with the likes of Gininda, and from there we stopped again in Standerton, yebo.
Basuke eStanderton baze bawoma eOlundi
And then from
egarage
Standerton,
engine.
and then from Standerton they stopped at a garage in Ulundi.
And bona babengena
Engine garage, sorry.
babengena bethenga izinto abazozidla bona. Mina kodwa akaze ngidle lutho since.
But they would go in, buy something to eat for themselves, but I never had anything to eat.
Sasuka lapho sawungena eMahlabathini police station.
From there, we then went to Mahlabathini police station,
Bafika bangayitholi escort lapho.
and there they did not find or they did not get any escort.
Sasuka saya kwaCeze police station.
We then moved to Kwaxeza police station.
Bafike batholi escort lapho yabaphelesana sawufika ekhaya.
There they were able to get escort to my home.
Ila ngifike khona ngikhona ukufika ngichame sengikhona ke ekhaya sebene escort lapha ekhaya.
It was only there when they had the escort that I then was able to get an opportunity to relieve myself or to get an opportunity to urinate when I got home.
Masisuka ekhaya futhi baphinde bedlula kwaCeza kwa Efrahead bangena egarage engine garage bathenga ukudla badla futhi.
And then when we left there, we got to Vryheid at a garage, and that's when they went in and bought food again and ate.
Basuka eFrahead ke baze bazoma airport la eCapton Park ila ufika kusala khona laba basalayo bese beyangiqhubekisa mina bengiletha eVelali.
And then from there, we then came and we stopped at the airport. The others were left behind at the airport, and then I was then transported to Valeria.
Bengicacisa nje ama-hour ukuthi mina ama-hour engivamisa uwasebenzisa mangiye ekhaya i7 hours ngalela langa lela angazi basebenzisa ama-hour mangaki.
I was just trying to explain the issue of the hours, that I normally take 7 hours to travel home, but I don't know as to on that day how many hours they took.
And the 16 hours, let me say the return hours that you traveled from Johannesburg to Nongoma, you were always handcuffed.
La mahora ke enawahamba ke nisuka khona la eGoli niya kwaNongoma, ngaso sonke leso sikhathi leso wawufakwe ozankosi.
Angifaka ozakosi ngiboshelwe ngemuva isandla.
Yes, I was handcuffed and my hands were at the back.
I would like to, my lord, to refer the witness to Exhibit FF. It's only one reference that I'm going to make to this exhibit, my lord. If you can have a look at this document at the time that is written on top, Exhibit FF. Do you see
Yeah.
the time that is written on top of that document?
Yes, one is cut espali. Just check. Yes, yes, one is cut espali la.
Yeah,
Yes.
What is the time? Can you read
16.
it into the record?
Sfunda,
10:15
quarter to 10
Okay, thank you.
ebusuku.
at night.
Okay. You testified that you were arrested during the day on the 30th of May 2020. Is that correct?
Ushilo ukuthi waboshwa ke emini ngazo.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.